All right, here she is.
Ta-da! Yay! Woohoo!
Travel back in time.
Looks beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, this is Maritza. So Maritza, what are we doing?
Oh my God. Well, I leave it up to you.
Okay.
I just wish I could have a beautiful soup cut that I can just wash it and shake my head and move on.
Okay.
And not as a good person to style or blow dry my hair.
She just wants to use her hair. We're gonna try to maybe let her hair go curly and kind of see what it will look like. But we'll see. We're gonna trim it up. She does have a lot of layers in here, but there's so much weight. It's so heavy that it doesn't have, you can't see the style. So you guys ready for a really awesome transformation? Marissa's ready. She's ready. Yay. All right, we're gonna take you in the back and you ready to go?
Yeah. But I like the one, the back is like that.
Yeah, well, your hair is gonna be fuller for the most part because you got so much, right?
But it's perfect.
Okay, we're gonna do the beach ball haircut. I'm gonna go here. Let's see where this is. Okay, so this is pretty good. But right here, okay, this is the bad angle. When it does that, look at, I wanna show you, go back a little bit. I want you to look at this angle. Fingers should be this way. Okay, but when it's this way, what happens is, this is the longest piece and it hooks. She'll have like a shelf around the whole thing. So that's where the mistake is, okay? So we gotta get that top off. We gotta lighten the hair, make it so there's room. And then I'm gonna tap, tap, tap. Make some room for her hair so it has flexibility. I want it to move. That's what you want. Movability. It'll be easy for her. Tap, tap, tap. It's heavy. Look at how dense. That's so dense and so thick. It's like a forest of trees that has no room to see through. That's it. Now it'll have room. I do that because if I take some weight out of the hair, this hair can move and it has something to hold up on. So instantly you see her own curl already go up. See, this is like way down. We want to be able to wear her hair curly. Right here too, that's the wrong angle. Should go that way. She's got so much heaviness down here. I feel it. That's where your intuition comes in. Right here, we're gonna see my guide. And you feel, don't do it there, do it right over. Right there, you see it? It's heavy right in here, but even though the bend is there, I could do it here because it's not gonna stick straight out. You can't do it up top, but you could do it here. so good getting that weight off that hair. Oh, she'll love it. She'll feel it right away. Now I'm going to go right to her front. Normally I do the whole back, but I'm going to go right to section number 4, beach ball. Now you can see behind here though. Look at all that extra weight on there. Just not going to work right. Oh, look right here. Now I have to make sure that I do it over the bend. See the bend of the hair?
Mm-hmm.
When it's on the crown, you're doing tapping on the top.
Okay.
And it's basically you tap, you're just little tiny pieces, a nip, like that little tiny piece, little tiny baby.
Okay.
And look at this hair will like have volume. It's gonna stand up. Like see how flat and dense this hair is? It's heavy.
Yeah.
That baby is like, whoa, that is like strong. So I'm going to be very light with it. Okay, very lightweight with that. Man, look at how much nicer that is. Without doing anything. Wait until she sees it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We didn't even do anything yet except just your layers. Okay, look at the difference here. All this heaviness, it's all in here. But this one is so light and airy because we notched it. It just, oh, and it will just feather back beautiful. She don't got to do nothing to her hair. Now we're going to do number 2 on the other side. Okay, here we go. And just my notching, which you see all the time. Okay, right here. It's heavy, heavy, heavy. You have to use your intuition because you're going to feel the weight of the hair. And that's where you know that you got to do it, even down here. And then you feel it. That feels good. Okay, now I'm going to go to number 3 on this side. Here we go. Follow the guide. Okay, now I'm gonna do her other side, and of course you check it, right? Like look at how much longer that is. Right? It just shows it, and it's just so heavy. It just instantly wants to flop and go down. There's no texture in there, there's no lightness in there. All that extra hair, what was that? You see that? Like sometimes I try to figure out what other people were thinking when they cut their hair, and I can't even figure it out. They didn't check it. That's the other thing I find a lot. You gotta check the hair. Okay, now let's look at this nice calico on her other side. So I'm gonna flip this. Look at this, see? You can go this way first, and then you're gonna turn it. And you're gonna make sure it could have a beautiful feather back. And then I'm gonna check her. I'm gonna check everything. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. I want you to run your fingers through it. It's like a different head.
Yeah.
So much better.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels so light.
So light and airy, right? All right, here she is. Ta-da! Yay!
Travel back in time.
It was beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.